Hey guys, do you like the game Gossip Harbor? Well, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of Gossip Harbor for unlimited currency. So let me just open it up and show you guys. So as you can see, here's the game. So when I press on it, it launches me into the game. But as you can see, I'm broke. So if I press this button, I can activate the mod menu to get unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn that on all the way. So let's see if it goes up, and then we should be rich. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device so you can get unlimited gems in Gossip Harbor. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. So as you can see, this is what we got right now. So as you can see, there go the gems all the way up. Oh my gosh, so this actually works. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. Alright, so it's easy. So just go to the phone and type tweakmod.com. So let me just type this in. So now put in Gossip Harbor and then press install. So before it downloads, it's going to be verification. Okay, so this is the last step. So you just want to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions, and then the Gossip Harbor mod will be installed in your phone. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to download. As you can see, all right, so it's loading right now. So it's gonna be like loading up. All right, so let's see what happens. And it's basically gonna say like missing files or something. So you just want to download some of these apps. So as you can see, it says like you got to download them. So you just want to do 2 of these. So like Travel Town says reach level 9. So I just press continue, play it until I'm level 9. So it's like a game. So just do a couple of these, you're going to be good to go. So that's how to get Gossip Harbor modded version for your device. So let's go to the App Store and type it in just so you guys can see how expensive it is. So I'm just going to type, so as you can see, there's the game. You do not need the game installed because this is a separate modded version. But as you can see, it's really expensive. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get Gossip Harbor modded version for your device so you can get unlimited gems and stuff. So super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. As you can see, unlimited gems. So this is super awesome. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So enjoy it, and there is anti-ban as well. So you're not gonna get banned, so that's great. So hopefully the video works for you guys. I'm gonna see you later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about Gossip Harbor. I've tried to do like some other videos, but I couldn't find it. But this is the new mod that works, so be sure to try it out. Just make sure you download 2 of the apps, and then you're gonna be all set. So yeah, it's super crazy. You got the video there you can watch, so that's cool. So if you're into the videos, like you need to watch like another tutorial, there it is. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So I'm gonna see you later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Gossip Harbor gameplay. Like we could do a gameplay with the mod, spending the rubies and stuff. So yeah, I don't really have any problem doing that. But yeah, have fun, guys. Super crazy. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, there you go. So this is super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but if this video works for you guys, please tell your friends about it because we need to get the whole community involved in the Gossip Harbor modded version. So yes, this is actually ready for you. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it, and peace out.